Hey y'all, today I have a livestock order from Blue Zoo Aquatics that I'm going to be opening up with you guys. Have some inverts in here and some fish. One thing off the bat, I see there's a little bit of water on the bottom of the box, so that might be a problem. Maybe something happened in the shipping along the way. These guys usually do a pretty good job, but you know, anything is possible. A couple things here. I have some towels and some airline hose so I can do a proper acclimation. And I also have a HANA checker so I can see what the temperature and specific gravity of everything that's coming in is. So let's take a closer look. First things first, I want to check this packing list. Looks like we have our flame fin Tomini tang, some emerald crabs, arrow crabs, and peppermint shrimp. So it looks like they're all there on that end. Heating packets, our little acclimation care guide, let's see what's going on in here. Now there's moisture and water here, but I don't see any bags that are popped or anything like that. So maybe it was just the guys packing it. It was just around the facility. So I think we're pretty good on that end. It's a nice sized Tomini tang. Should be another one right here. Here it is. The other one. It's a nice solid size. What we got in here? Arrow crab. Looks alive. I'm going to put him in a separate container. This other arrow crab. This guy looks pretty good too. Just crawling around. Okay, this is probably the peppermint shrimp. Yep, all the peppermints are in here. It's a nice piece of macroalgae. This is actually red gracilaria, it looks like, which is cool. This stuff actually can grow, and fish like to munch on it. So peppermint shrimp look, wow, nice and fat. Look at these guys. There's they look pretty good. It looks like one of them shed their exoskeleton. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. And here is all our emerald crabs crawling around in here, looking good. Got here more emerald crabs. Alrighty, so I'm going to put this big box aside. And first things first, I do want to put these Tomini tangs in here. Looking really nice and healthy. Put the other one right here. Now, reminder, you don't want to have two Tomini tanks in one reef tank. That's not a smart thing to do. But these are actually for a customer of mine, and they're going out tomorrow, so they're okay to hang out together for a night or two if they had to, even a few weeks in a quarantine tank. But once they start establishing territories, they're not going to be best buddies. Right now, they're in it to win it together. So I'll put that aside for now. We'll bring all our inverts right here. Now I might separate the arrow crabs inside this little bucket first, just because these guys they're a little delicate and they like to pick at things. You know, them and the emerald crabs may not get along all that well. Anything with claws and a smart brain can cause trouble. Here's another one here. Alrighty. Closer look at these guys crawling around in there. So you can see they're actually arm wrestling already. These guys can be vicious. So they're okay. They should be okay with each other, but they just need a minute right now. And we might want to separate them while we ship them out. So I'm actually even going to go separate them right now. Alright, so we took Mike Tyson out of there. And we got this other dude chilling here. So we're going to put them aside for now. And I'm going to put all my emerald crabs right here. One, two, three, four, five. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, we got some nice with some really big fat claws. That's nice. I love seeing that. Nice and healthy. And here's our peppermints. They should be okay here. Alrighty, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it looks like. So here's all these guys. Let's start drip acclimating them. Alright, so here's all our inverts. Here is our one arrow crab. I'm actually going to put the other arrow crab right there. Come on, buddy. There he is. Well, these guys, he might crawl out of there. They're smart like that. Here is our Tomini tangs. I have this dress coat that came with the care package. Just going to put a couple squirts in each tank, that's all. And now I am going to start a drip line. It's my inverts down here. Gonna tie a knot. And I'm going to start another drip line here. tighten that up a little bit so it drips a little slower. Alright, now I just want to see the specific gravity these guys are coming in at and the temperature. The fish here at about 1.018 with the temperature 73. And the inverts here at 1.022 with a temperature of 73. So we got to bring the specific gravity up a little bit as well as the temperature before we put them in the tank. Alright, now I'm going to let these guys sit here for about a half hour and then put them in the tank.